Istighfar wipe away the major sins? Yes, it does, to a certain extent. So what we need to understand is Ibn al-Qayyim, he takes the position that istighfar is tawbah and tawbah is istighfar, and they're only separate when they're mentioned together. In other words, you can either do istighfar and tawbah, or you do istighfar, which means tawbah. So he actually brings the two of them together. In that sense, it wipes out the major sins. But if a person doesn't really regret what they've done, but still they ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to forgive them, sins can be wiped out. What cannot be wiped out by the major sins is just doing good deeds. Like the hadith, وَأَتْبِعِ السَّيِّئَةَ الْحَسَنَةَ تَمْحُهَا. Ibn al-Qayyim, he has some kalam about it. He says that the word sayyi'ah normally is used for the minor sins only. And so that's why the Prophet ﷺ said, وَأَتْبِعِ السَّيِّئَةَ الْحَسَنَةَ تَمْحُهَا. If you do a good deed after a bad one, it will wipe it out. The word sayyi'ah, it means as-saghair. That's what Ibn al-Qayyim, he says, the minor sins. And the major ones require tawbah. But in the first place, istighfar is either containing it or it's leading to it. That's the best way of saying it or summarizing it, is to say istighfar is either something which leads you to tawbah, and it's the first step to tawbah, or it includes tawbah, in which case it wipes out the major sins.